Do you want to work until the day you die, or would you rather learn how to make money online? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in a day selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself, working just 1 to 2 hours around your schedule, doing simple things like posting 3 pieces of content every single day to social media and going live to attract customers and build your email list. And then once people are inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. Plus, this is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing, so you don't earn small commissions. This is high ticket marketing with master resale rights, so you earn 100% profit per sale. So I'm just gonna share my screen and show you what this looks like and how you can do it. So this is like an all-in-one business in a box. It's a turnkey business, which means you don't have to create anything. Everything's already created for you. And I'm gonna show you what everything looks like right now. Okay. So this is the website that you get to use when you start this business. And what we sell are these 4 different digital programs. These are digital programs inside of the e-learning industry. So the e-learning industry is like $1 billion a day industry, and it's training, it's information, it's education. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about how to make money online, how to launch an online business and scale that online business to 6 or 7 figures, marketing, sales, attraction marketing, building your brand, growing your following on social media, all these kinds of things and more, even how to create your own products and your own communities, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so that's what these programs are. So you get to learn from these programs, and then then you have the resell rights. So you can resell these programs for 100% profit. And there's 4 different programs, so you can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. So when you start this business, we also give you we give you a sales funnel, okay? A sales funnel for free, and basically it looks like this. So this is what's out there. This system here is out there working for you 24/7. So this is how you can make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love. Okay. So this is how you earn passive income. So you have these 4 pages that we give you as a bonus. You get this whole automated sales funnel as a bonus. Okay. So this page, this page, this page, and this page. These 4 pages are out there working for you 24/7. So what happens is all we're doing is sending people to our link, basically. Okay. So people go to your link, they go to this page. It's called a capture page because you're capturing people's emails, you're building your email list, right? So they put their email in and then they go to the next page. Okay. And then they're going to watch this video. And as soon as they put their email in, they're part of your email automations. So they're going to get emails sent out to them every single day. Okay. That's how it works, right? Like I'll show you. You're going to learn how to do all this stuff, right? So if you don't know how to do email marketing, you don't know how to build an online business, well, you don't need any experience or tech skills or following to do this. You can start as a total beginner with no experience, and we show you how to do everything step by step. Okay, so they go here, they put their email in, which means they opt into your email marketing campaign, and they're going through, they're watching this video. There's another video that we send out in people's emails, and there's also like, wins from the community here. So that's proof that people are making money with this business. Then another video, and like if you click on the button here, you see it takes people to your website. You see how the sales funnel works, okay? Then they go to your website, and this is where they can purchase one of these products. Okay. So how would an extra $900 per day change your life? $27,000 a month, $328,000 a year. That means in 3 years you could be a millionaire. Okay. The top earner inside of this program, she's made between $4 to $5 million. We've created over 106-figure income earners. Okay. And that's it. And this business has only been around since last year, 2024, April. So, and even in that time, we've created over 106-figure income earners. There's 50,000 people in our community. There's over 50,000 people in our community. And the only way you can join our community is by purchasing one of the programs. So there you go. That just shows you that this works because around 55,000 people purchase one of these programs. So we've done over $29 million in sales in 10 months, and we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Often people ask, like, how long does it take to make money? Well, we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days, and all you need is 2 sales, and your business is in profit, okay? And then you get a certification training. So that's inside of the program. It's going to show you that it's going to, like, once you finish this training, you're going to become a licensed reseller of the program. And then you're going to learn the do's and the don'ts to digital marketing, to online marketing. You're going to learn that inside of the certification training. Okay, these are testimonies on your website. See how I have my picture here? You're just going to put your picture in. We're going to show you how to do all this. And then you got to put your own bio in. You can use ChatGPT to help you create that if you need help with that. So so people can go to your website, they purchase the 100, the 300, or the 600. Every time they go to your website and they purchase a product, like you see how these payment buttons here, I'll take them, they'll check out, they'll purchase the product. Every time they purchase one of the products, you get paid instantly through your payment processor, like Stripe, Square, PayPal. You get paid instantly through your payment processor, and you earn 100% profit per sale. So you earn the full 600, 300, 900, and 100. Okay. And this shows you what you're going to learn in the programs. Like you're going to learn how to make like on the $100 program, that's the basic. You learn how to launch your online business, automate your business, set up social media, how to post ads on the internet, grow your following on social media, and yeah. And then the next program, you learn how to make 100% profit, the differences between, the different kinds of, business models, finding your ideal customer, mastering storytelling and content, build a strong brand identity, discover and attract customers. And then with the $300 program, you have the potential to earn 300 a day. And the $600 program, you have the potential to earn $600 a day or more. Okay, so you're going to learn how to build a recurring income, email marketing, list building, affiliate marketing, how to use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity, and then all this. And so every single like if you purchase the 900 program, you get all four programs. So that's the difference. People ask me like, what's the difference? Well, if you purchase the $900 program, you get access to all the information, all the trainings, and then you can resell all of the programs. So you get four income streams if you purchase the 900. And if you purchase the 900, you get access to the VIP millionaire mentoring calls that we do every week. So, so it's best to go with the 900, but if you can't start at that level, you can start at a lower level and you can upgrade later. Like if you start at the 100, you can start there and then you can upgrade later. You just got to pay the price difference and there's zero monthly fees for this business. Okay. So, yeah. And there's also payment plans available for you or your customers. Yep, this is what the website looks like. I'm just showing you what it looks like. So it's perfect for someone who wants extra income, financial security. They want to work from anywhere. They want a reliable income stream. They want a flexible, family-friendly business that you can do around at home around your family. They've tried something else, but they struggled, so they want to see real results. Like I tried so many things and I struggled. I didn't make any money until I tried this. I've actually made money with this, thousands of dollars. Okay, you want something that's step by step, beginner friendly. This is not for people who are unwilling to take action, who aren't coachable, okay, who are not willing to invest. Like this is not for them. This shows why it works. This shows you the difference between this business model and others. Like we earn 100% profit. Most other business models only earn 10 to 30% profit per sale. You don't have to create anything here, no product creation, no shipping, no inventory. Okay, we're selling proven in-demand products, right? So, yep. I'm just showing you the website and you get all these bonuses. You get access to our community. You get a community trainer, builders training. You get Canva crash course, my first million in 17 months, 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan, invisible empire faceless marketing, and 200 digital product ideas. So you can create your own digital products and sell them for whatever you want to sell them for. So you're going to learn everything about, launching and building an online business to 6 and 7 figures. You're going to learn how to become a digital business owner and entrepreneur, right? So if you want to get started, you purchase one of the programs, you pay $39 for your website. And then you have access to your products. So what are the products? It's the program, it's the training. Here's the certification training. You go through this, you watch all the videos. Okay, here's your bonuses, like your digital product ideas. And then once you get started, you want to go inside of your program, start at the highest level. You don't have to go from the lowest level to the highest. Just start at the highest level. Okay. So click here to get started. This is going to go through this. You just want to follow everything step by step. So click here to get started. One of the first things you got to do is set up your website, right? Get your website set up. Like you're setting up these pages, you're setting up your system, your sales funnel, everything. Okay. So basically, you got to go, like you just watch these videos. It's going to show you how to do it. You go to GoDaddy, you get your professional domain, your professional email address. Okay. And then you have to get your payment gateways set up like Square, PayPal, Stripe. You got to connect them to your system. We show you how to do everything in these videos, right? Then you got to connect your domain, right, to your system, and that's it. You watch all these videos. There's like 20 steps to get your business set up, and then once you're finished, your business is set up and you're ready to go. And then after that, you just have to watch this training. It's a launch kit for your business. Shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. And then you just go through all the rest of the trainings on your time, like start creating your empire, marketing, social media, discovery method, how to find and attract customers, mastering storytelling, building, branding your business. So you just go through these trainings, around your schedule over time. You're not going to finish all the trainings in one day. I haven't even gone through all the trainings yet, and I've been building this business for a year. So there's an abundance of training, and there's more training inside of our community too. So let me show you the community. Here we are. Here is our community. So we have 55,000 members inside of our community. So you just want to go here, okay? Go here, introduce yourself, and ask questions. If you have questions, post your wins. And then inside of the classroom, there's all this training. You want to go getting started training, okay? So we have all these trainings inside of the classroom too as a bonus. Really good stuff. We have daily training from a millionaire. Okay, she does a daily training, like a video, like 2 to 5 minutes every single day. Mindset training, social media training, content vault. Okay. In the calendar, this shows you where we have our live events, live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure incrementers. So we have one on Monday, Tuesday. There's tech support call. Like if you need help setting up your system or something, there's tech support. I never needed it, but if you need it, it's there. Mentoring. Yep. So there you go. And let me go inside of a community and I'll show you the wins that people are having. Like if you go here, it shows you the wins. So people post all kinds of wins, right? So this person got their first sale, Jenny. I made my first $900 sale. Boom. While she was watching a movie. Okay. First sale while watching a movie. That's how it's done. Okay. Look, woke up to a $600 sale. Boom. Okay. And someone else upgraded to the 900 level. So she made like double. I don't know the total, but okay. She got 1,000 followers and a clickable link. So if you're on TikTok, if you get 1,000 followers, you get a clickable link that you can put on your, social media page. $1,000 while packing out of my garage. See, she's from South Africa, and she made $1,000, which equals $20,000 in her currency. It's a global business, so you can do this business from any part of the world, and you get paid in American dollars, and you can get customers from any part of the world. So you have the whole world to work with. I woke up with my first $900 sale in August. Boom. See, I'm just showing you people are having wins, right? Here's the proof. $100 sale for her. First $900 of August. Boom. Okay. For Tim, he made 900 in August. First day or first sale of August. $300 sale for her. $900 sale for them. Yep. There we go. $900 sale while cooking dinner. So you can see there's a lot of wins. Okay, she made 1,000. She had 1,000. See, this is through Stripe. So she got $1,000, guys. Boom. She said one day the rent is already covered for the month. She covered her rent in one day, guys. Right? So there you go. There's the proof. And like I said, if you see if you see an opportunity here and you want to get started, just go to my website, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Okay, put in your best email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. And yeah, you just purchase one of the programs, you pay $39, you plug into the community, then you're going to follow a 2 hour workday. So every single day, like here's our 2 hour workday. You post 3 pieces of content minimum, and then you can also go live on social media, or you can copy and paste free ads. So it's up to you how you want to do that. Like you can just focus on just creating content the whole time if that's all you want to do, or you can do all three. You can post content, go live, and post free ads. What I usually do, I post at least 3 pieces of content on social media. I generally post more than that, but I do a minimum of 3 pieces of content, then I go live at least once. That's how I build my business. Okay. And it's worked for me because I've made thousands of dollars doing that. So, um, so like for example, here's how you create content. Like on YouTube, like I create like long form videos like this one right now, which is like over 10 minutes. And then I do see all these long form videos I'm doing just for this business. And then shorts, short videos, videos that are under 3 minutes. Now I can do talking videos. You can do words on the screen videos. You can see I do a variety of different things. Okay. And then on YouTube also they have these cool things called posts. So you can basically post written content, right? So here's like an idea of how you can do faceless. I did this little faceless thing. Like I like to experiment. I do these little like, cartoon things that I do. Here's another faceless. Here's like a value post. I'm not talking about my business. I'm just giving people value, some motivation, inspiration kind of stuff. Like it's good to mix in value and business. So some of your posts can be value posts like this, motivation, inspiration, funny, entertaining, and then other posts can be about a bit your business. Like this is about my business. This is about my business. See? So most people say you should do more value than business, but it's up to you how you want to run your business. Okay. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. And like I said, if you see an opportunity you want to get started, just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the description. And otherwise, please like the video, share the video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's overworked and underpaid, and they're working like 40 plus hours a week and they're stressed out financially, then share this video with them and make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll just try to offer as much value, like mindset, you know, like trainings about like marketing training, mindset training, and of course, I'm going to share this business with people because it's an amazing business. So that's basically what I'm going to do on this channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. God bless.